Hey guys, Alex Ryan, and we're at the Canton Fair on a beautiful, beautiful day today. And I'm going to spend a bit of time. I'm actually walking from one of the area halls to the other area hall. As you can sort of see here, massive complex, right? Huge complex. It is just so many exhibitors here, so many product ideas. And I'll take this bit of time right now just to walk you through what you need to do if you are looking to go to the Canton Fair and if you're serious about getting something started. The process to go into the Canton Fair, there is a bit involved. It's not as easy as jumping on a plane and coming over here. Ask me how I know, right? I've got a lot of students who just sort of went over there and just did that and they found themselves in hot water, right? You kind of do need to be a little bit organized. And I've been doing this now for a long time. I've taken countless students here. I've been here to China more times than I can count. I know there is a bit of a process involved and you do need to be prepared. You gotta know what the heck is going on, right? So the process of coming to China is, first of all, you need what we call a pre-application for a buyer's badge. You've got to get one of these things right here, right? So these things right here, and well, not my best photo, right? Okay, it looks nothing like me. Simply a very sad passport photo. You need one of these to get into the Canton Fair. Getting one of these is a little bit tricky if you don't know what you're doing. You basically need to you need to get invited. The Canton Fair do invitations. You've got to know the process of doing that. Going through the official Canton Fair website, getting an invitation. You've got to apply for what we call something like a business visa to do business here. Once you've gotten your invitation letter, you get your buyer's badge, right? One of these things here, you have to apply for a visa, a Chinese visa. And if you've been to China before, you have to state that. You have to tell them the date you've been here. You've got to tell them pretty much everything. Now, once you've done that, you get your visa, you book your train ticket, you book your airfares, you book your accommodation. And expense prices during the Canton Fair do go up. It's like their Christmas time here. It's the busiest time of all. And you book your accommodation. You come here, you arrive here on the day, and essentially you'll get a ton of ideas by coming here in person. You'll get a ton of ideas. Basically, I recognize that dude. You get a ton of ideas coming here for your Amazon store. Now, what do you need to be prepared? What do you need to wear on the day? Now, I'm wearing basically very casual. I don't know if you guys can see that. White pants, linen jacket. You do need some sort of footwear that is soft on the feet, all right? You do not want to be wearing business shoes like the ladies in front of me, all right? You don't want to be wearing that. Why? Because you're walking 64 football fields of products every single day and your feet are going to wear out. So just be aware of that, all right? Comfortable shoes. When you arrive here on the day, you're going to have to carry what we call business cards, or what they call in China name cards. And every second person and their boss are going to carry these around, all right, name cards, which is essentially a business card, okay? It's actually good to actually have on the back of your business card. Do I have one? I do, all right, in Chinese as well. Makes you look 10 times more professional than you actually are, right? I'm professional, but I tell my students to have their business cards in Mandarin on the reverse side, because instantly you get a better price from the manufacturer. They take you 10 times more seriously. You get taken more seriously from the get-go. And this is about it, guys. I'm going to end the video here. My colleague is up there, but I've just walking from hall A to hall C. It's taken me about 5 minutes or so. It's literally so much walking that you do every single day at the Canton Fair. So much walking, and you get so many product ideas by coming here in person. Now, if you join us, I actually take students here with me. So I'm on the ground, I'm helping you source from China, I'm helping you negotiate, cut deals with suppliers right here. I'm helping you find products, get yourself organized. I've been here many times, I know exactly what to look for. If you're looking for help and you're serious about getting started on an Amazon business, you definitely kind of do need to be here, all right? Now I actually book your flights as well. So we've got a promotion right now, and I've been running this promotion for a little bit, and I actually pay for your flights to get over here and join me in China. We look after you. We help you with your visa. We help you. My team does the invitation letters. We handle the buyer's badge for you. We handle a lot of this stuff for you because we know what we're doing and we get it done properly. We look after all your accommodation. We look after the shuttles to and from your hotel. We go on a beautiful river cruise and all that jazz. It's beautiful. The cultural scene, you get to see wholesale markets. We take you out for a day for shopping. And it's good to actually come here with people who know what they're doing and who have been here multiple times before. And you'll see, like I said, guys, if you're serious about getting something started, it's worthwhile coming here and you'll never regret it. Once you come here once, you will want to come back again and again and again because it's just incredible in terms of what you can accomplish in a very short time period. Let me just show you, this is the personal care products. This is where we're going now. We've got personal care products, toys, you've got household items, and you can sort of see in here, that's the hall, right? That's the booth, that's the hall. And I love pet products, I love personal toy, I love the personal effects, the personal items because there's so many new stuff hitting the market, right? First thing I see is adult diapers and incontinence, right? Believe it or not, that's a big niche. That's a huge niche because no one likes to go and buy that in a pharmacy, right? They buy that stuff on Amazon or online, right? No one likes to buy that stuff publicly. Same thing goes with a lot of other personal items and medications. No one likes to do that. They need to go and buy that online. Anyway, just wanted to show you inside the Canton Fair. I've got to meet one of my suppliers right now and actually place an order. I'd love to see you guys here. I'd love to walk around with you and help you cut deals with these suppliers and actually get something up and running. Get it on Amazon, get it selling. That's the aim of the game, guys. Anyway, talk to you real soon. Bye-bye for now.